What if I told you that you only need a fraction of the typical Ozempic or Mounjaro dose to transform your body? Big pharma company don't want you to know this, but microdosing GLP-1 medication could be the key to fat loss while keeping your muscle intact. It's not about losing weight fast, it's about losing fat the right way. Stay tuned because today I'm going to break down why the full dose that everyone is raving about might not be the best approach, and how we are helping people at MyFitMed achieve better results with less medication. I'm Jay Patel here from MyFitMed, where we are changing the game in metabolic health and weight loss. And today I'm exposing the little known truth about most talked about weight loss medications: Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, you name it. These meds are everywhere. Celebrities are using them, your friends, your neighbor, or maybe even you. But let me ask you this. Have you noticed people saying they feel weak, tired, or even losing muscle instead of just fat? Well, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. What if I told you that you could get the same if not better result using the fraction of the dose with the fewer side effects and higher chances of keeping the weight off long term? Well, buckle up because we are diving deep today. First, let's get nerdy for a second. What exactly do this medication do? GLP-1 agonists like semaglutide and tirzepatide work by mimicking a hormone that your gut naturally produces when you eat. This hormone does three big things. Number one, slow stomach emptying. You feel fuller for longer, so you eat less. Number two, reduces appetite signal in your brain. You don't even think about food as much. And number three, enhances insulin sensitivity. This is the real game changer. When your body responds better to insulin, it burns fat for fuel instead of storing it. Here is where most people go wrong. The goal isn't just to lose weight. If you are losing muscle along with fat, you're actually slowing your metabolism in a long run. That's why we take a different approach at MyFitMed. Most doctors prescribe this medication as standard or even higher dose. But here is what they don't tell you. Higher dose can lead to muscle loss, not just fat. Severe nausea, vomiting, and digestive issues are way more common at higher dose. The higher the dose, the higher the risk of weight regain when you stop. A lot of patients come to us saying they feel weak, they are losing strength, or they are plateauing despite eating less. That's because too much of this med can suppress appetite so much that you are not getting enough protein or nutrients to maintain muscle. So what's the solution? Microdosing. At MyFitMed, we focus on three key factors. Number one, body composition. We are not just looking at the scale, we track muscle versus fat loss. Number two, metabolic health. We optimize your blood sugar level, cholesterol, hormones, and inflammation. Number three, sustainability. By using lower dose, we minimize the side effect and make it more affordable. For example, take Sarah. She started on just 0.25 mg of semaglutide weekly. That's less than half the usual starting dose. Over 6 months, she lost 34 pounds of pure fat, gained 2 pounds of muscle, and significantly improved her blood sugar level, all without the nasty side effects. You don't have to take my word for it. The research backed this up. 2023 study in Journal of Endocrinology found that lower dose of GLP-1 medication leads to more sustainable metabolic improvement compared to the high dose. Another study showed that people who microdose retained more lean muscle and had fewer side effects. If you are thinking about GLP-1 medication, here's my advice. Number one, start low and go slow. You don't need to jump into high dose right away. Number two, prioritize protein. Aim for at least 1 gram per pound of lean body mass. Number three, strength training. Lifting weight helps preserve muscle while losing fat. Number four, track more than just weight. Use body composition scan to measure progress. Number five, work with a provider who understands this. Not all doctors take this approach. I asked my community what their biggest questions were, and here are the top ones that I got. Number one, will I regain the weight when I stop? Sustainable habits while on it. Number two, can I take GLP-1 meds if I don't need to lose a lot of weight? Yes, but it should be customized to your need. What's the biggest mistake people make? Not eating enough protein or skipping strength training. Or one more, optimizing your hormone. If you're curious about whether microdosing GLP-1 meds is right for you, schedule your consultation. Remember, less medication, more transformation. That's the MyFitMed difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification, because next time I'm breaking down exactly what to eat while taking GLP-1 med to maximize the muscle prevention. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next video.